I'm Mama Ezzat. I want to teach you how to make Baghali Ghatogh. I have 5 grandchildren and I love them. One of them speaks on my videos because I can't speak English.
Hello, welcome to the Mamaneza Grandma's kitchen.
You need Baghali beans, turmeric, garlic, dried dills, salt, eggs, and oil. Now let's begin. Add 2 cups of beans to the pot. In Iran, we call these Baghali beans Baghali. By the way, I'm a retired grandmother and I used to be a teacher. Then chop 5 cloves of garlic, not too fine, just like the beans. Some people mash or grate the garlics, but I like this way. It gives the dish a deeper flavor. As I told you, I'm a retired teacher, 76 years old, and still in love with learning. Reading has always been my greatest joy, especially the Quran. Every time I open it, it feels like reading it for the first time. At home, I spend my free times walking around reading and watching the television. Mostly I watch the news. But recently I felt I need something new. A little project to fill my time with joy and to share some lovely moments with my dear grandchild. Now add 2 spoons of oil. Okay, now let it salt on medium heat for about 10 or 15 minutes. While this is salting, I pour myself a cup of tea and chat with you. Sometimes I sing a little songs I make up myself. Not perfect, but full of heart. And now I decide to start a new hobby, cooking traditional dishes from northern Iran. Simple, healthy, and full of flavor and memory. If life gives me the chance, I love to continue this journey and share with you the traditional dishes. The beans should change the color and the smell fills your kitchen. Then add your turmeric, about 2 teaspoons, and give it a good stir. Now add a generous pinch of dried dill. Exactly. And again give it a good stir. Now pour in enough water to cover the beans. Now is the perfect time to add the salt. Before adding the eggs, crack them to a small bowl to make sure they are clean and fresh. The potatoes you see here are for another dish, سیب زمینی تره. I'll teach you that in my next video. Now let the stew cook slowly and just look at that. What a beautiful cozy dish. Simple food made with love always tastes the best. Serve it with rice and enjoy every bite with peace in your heart. Until next time, stay healthy and happy, and may your kitchen always smell like love.